Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, my name is Jason, your bartender here in Speak Easy Smoothies Bar. Tonight, gagawa tayo ng cocktails na innovation cocktails. It's one of the iconic cocktails. It's called Painkiller. So, na-inspire akong gawin tong cocktails na to kasi itong taong to, it's very famous in Bicol. So Bicol is a land of a lot of coconut, and somewhere in Camarines there's a plantation of pineapple. So napili ko tong cocktails na to. It's like a on location cocktail. I call it tatawagin ko tong Lado cocktail. So si Lado, it has a strong personality. Pero comedy to tong tao na to, pero it's a masculine guy. Meron siyang matapang, hindi basta-basta natitinag. Pero meron siyang feminine side. Yun is pag tinawag na siya ni Cha Linda. So gagawin natin tong cocktail sa to. So gagamit tayo ng dark rum. So, gawin na natin guys. So, first, pack natin ng ice yung. Mixing glass. So, first of all, of course, dark rum. Gamit tayo ng dark rum. Tangkiligin natin yung sarili natin. So, 1.5 ounce of dark rum. And gagamit tayo ng 2 ounce of orange juice. And a 4 ounce of pineapple juice. So, 4 ounce of pineapple juice. Yan. 4 ounce of pineapple juice, and lagyan na natin ng ice yung baso natin bago natin i-shake yung cocktails. So, ang methodology ng cocktails nito, it's shake, strain, and pour. So, ang painkiller, it has a Coco Lopez or coconut cream. So it's hard to find Coco Lopez here. It's a Pinacolada mix or cream from coconut. So gumawa ako ng, it's coming from coconut. It's a gata. So niluto ko siya low fire, and sugar. So, yun yung ano niya. So, being a bartender, dapat creative ka, or alam mo yung mga alternative na pwede mong gamitin kung wala kang magamit sa bar, na close doon sa lasa ng ginagawa mong cocktails. So, lalagyan ko ng 4 na bar spoon. It's a homemade coconut cream. So, shake na natin yan. Yan. Creamy, nakita mo naman. And strain. Look at that color. And garnish natin, of course, ng pineapple. Yan. Gagawa natin ng horse. Well, of course, bicol is known for a spicy dish. So, lalagyan natin ng chili flakes on top. So, ang painkiller, it's supposed to be a nutmeg. So, eto, since si Boy Lado is matapang, aggressive, pero may feminine side siya kasi dahil kay Cha Linda pag tinawag siya. So, si Cha Linda dito sa cocktails na to is yung coconut cream. Yung ginawa nating homemade coconut cream. So, yun yung neutralizer ni Boy Lado. Ito na yung cocktails na ginawa ko. It's called Boy Lado cocktails. Nakita mo naman yung horse. Tignan natin. The best. Perfect kapag lalo na under the sun, kung masyadong mainit yung panahon. Ito yung the best na cocktails. A little bit of hint of spiciness coming from chili flakes. Pero nanyo-neutralize siya nung coconut cream. Well, try nyo to guys. Para siyang upgraded pinacolada also. Yan ang Boy Lado cocktail. And by the way, my name is Jason. And peace out.